If you're looking for solar, we've got some great deals right now. Click or give us a call.
Very professional. The engineer is tremendous and they sort out all my problems. Since first contacting, my installation took about 4 to 5 weeks. I think my monthly savings or my annual savings on electricity must be about 50%. I would recommend Solar for Good because they seem very professional, they care about my system and they put anything right that possibly goes wrong.
If you want to find out more, call on our number to get a free quotation. Time to think.